The sides A, B, and C of a triangle ABC are given as A equals 13, B equals 14, and C equals 15. We need to determine the following. Okay, let us begin. So we'll start with by first noting down whatever we're being provided with. So here we have A equals to 13, B equals to 14, and C equals to 15, which means that we have a triangle ABC, and the letters ABC in lowercase are going to be the sides opposite to the vertices A, B, and C respectively. So here A equals 13, B equals 14, and C equals 15. Using this information, we need to find out the area of the triangle. Let us begin. Now we know that area of a triangle ABC, that's given by, we have the square root of S multiplied to S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Now what's S here? So S here is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Let's try to find out this value. So here S is given by, we know that S is given by, we take the perimeter A plus B plus C and we take the half of that value, that's going to give us the semi-perimeter. So what's A plus B plus C? So here we have 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2. So that's going to give us 42. So 42 over 2 is going to be 21. So 21 is going to be the semi-perimeter of the triangle ABC. Now let's substitute this value to find out the area. So now the area of triangle ABC, that's going to be equals to, we'll take the square root. Underneath the square root we have 21 multiplied to 21 minus 13 times 21 minus 14 multiplied to 21 minus 15. On computing this value, it's going to give us 84 square units. So this is going to be the area of the triangle ABC. Let's go to the next problem. Here we need to find out sine of angle A over 2. In order to find out the value of sine A over 2, we're going to use the half angle formula, which I've already derived. So this is given by square root of S minus B multiplied to S minus C whole divided by B times C. So let's substitute the value. We're going to get the square root of 21 minus the B value, that's 14. 21 minus 14 multiplied to 21 minus C. C value is 15 divided by BC. So B is 14. So we're 14 times 15. When we simplify this, we're going to get the value 1 over square root of 5. Okay, so this is done. Let's go to the third problem. In the third problem, we need to determine the value of cosine of A over 2. So cosine of A over 2, we also have a standard formula for this. This is given by the square root of the product of S times S minus A divided by BC. Let's substitute the value here. So we have the square root of 21 multiplied to 21 minus 13 divided by 14 multiplied to 15. When we simplify this, this is going to give us a value equals to 2 over square root of 5. Then going to the next problem, we need to find out tangent of A over 2. Now tangent of A over 2, since we already have sine of A over 2 and cosine of A over 2, we can take the ratio of sine to that of the cosine function, and that's going to give us the value of tangent of A over 2. So we have 1 over square root of 5 divided by 2 over square root of 5, which means this is going to be equals to 1/2. That's the value of tangent of A over 2. Next, going to the fifth part of the problem. Here we need to find out sine of angle A. Now here sine of angle A can be also expressed as 2 times sine of angle A over 2 multiplied to cosine of angle A over 2. So we have 2 times, so sine of A over 2, we found out the value is 1 over square root of 5. So we have 2 multiplied to 1 over square root of 5 multiplied to cosine of A over 2. So that's 2 over square root of 5. So we have 2 divided by square root of 5. Simplifying this gives us the value 4 over 5. Okay, let's find out the value of the sixth one. So sixth one, we need to find out the value of cosine of angle A. So cosine of angle A, this is simply 1 minus 2 times sine squared A over 2. We have 1 minus 2 times, so sine A over 2, that's 1 over 5 square root of 5. We square this value and let's further simplify. This is going to give us 1 minus 2 over 5. So 1 minus 2 over 5, that's simply 3 over 5. So this is going to be the value of cosine of angle A. And then finally, we come to the last one. So that's finding the value of tangent of angle A. The tangent of angle A, so this is going to be sine of angle A over cosine of angle A. So sine of angle A, we found out that's 4 over 5. So we have 4 over 5 divided by 3 over 5, and this gives us 4 over 3. This is going to be the value of tangent of angle